Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad you could join me today. Today I have a project share, and this one is going to be in collab with two crafters, one design, and it's hosted by Mo Creations, and that's Melissa, and you see why I'm a diva, which is Lisa, and Girl of Cards, which is Gloria. Now these three ladies get together and they give a weekly prompt. This week's prompt is to use the Tim Holtz die Winston to make something. Or if you don't have Winston, I think you can use another snowman. Also, I'm going to have this in association with Saturday Morning Makes, which is an open collab sponsored by Jill Norwood, which is crafters craft during the week, and then you post what you made during the week on Saturday as inspiration to other crafters. So this is Winston, the Tim Holtz die that I used. And what I made with Winston is, I have Winston, he's a bag decoration, a gift bag decoration. So this I made Winston. I put him on this, these tags. You know, for me, it has to be a tag somewhere, huh? So I put him on the tags. I used some glossy accents, some mica flakes, and some greenery and a bow. And so I thought it would be good. Once I filled the bag up, it already has the decorations on it, because I have a whole bunch of these plain bags that I think I got from Hobby Lobby back during the time when we were doing that. So that's what I did with my Winston for the week. Tell me what you think about it. Please give this this thumbs up, because thumbs up helps the videos. Please comment and let me know what you think. I think I was listening to Mo this week, and she said that their next, for next week, I think it's do something with buttons. But tune in, go to these ladies' channel, Gloria's, Melissa's, Lisa's, and Jill's, and find out what they're doing during the week. And also use hashtag satmornmakes for the Saturday Morning Makes, and you can see all the stuff that those ladies did and people who joined the collab. Also, two crafters, one design, hashtag two crafters, one design, and you can see what everybody's making across the YT for inspiration. So let me know what you think about my bag decoration and my use of Winston. And Winston is a Tim Holtz die, and I think you can still get Winston on, some of the online sites. So thank you very much. Thanks for checking me out. I'll see you in my next video. Have a wonderful week, and don't forget to be the reason somebody smiles. Bye now.